Before we start, make sure you have a YouTube Music Premium subscription, as this feature is currently paywalled for premium users. Let's head to the YouTube Music app and open it up. Then what you want to do is look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on Library. Once you're in Library, tap on the plus button here and you should see an option for AI playlist. Tap on this. We're going to hit the OK button. Now this is where you get creative. You can tell the app exactly what kind of mood or theme you're looking for. For example, I'll type something like soft electronic beats to unwind to. Or you could type something like driving music. Once you hit enter, the AI takes roughly around 10 seconds or so to put together a collection of 25 tracks based on that vibe. Before you save the playlist, you have some control over the final product. You can look through the list and remove any songs you don't want just by hitting the minus button beside whichever song you don't want. If it's not quite right, you can even use additional prompts to tell the AI to add different types of music to the mix, and then hit the send button. So once you're happy with the tracks, save the playlist, and from here it works exactly like a manually created playlist. You can share it with friends and add more songs yourself later, or delete it from your account whenever you want. It's a really fast way to get a starter playlist going while it doesn't currently factor in your listening history like Spotify's version does. It's a great tool for quick music discovery. Give it a try with your own unique prompts, and thanks for watching.